Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number 1 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the 1 hour time frame, today was the final results for the US presidential election, and Trump did end up getting nominated. So that was very positive for the dollar, very negative for the dollar pairs so far. Now, I suspect that this could be a wave 5 on the higher time frames, but I also have an alternative count that would call this a wave 1, a wave 2, and this is a wave 3. If it is a wave 3, this is very likely to go up to one of these Fibonacci levels, likely one of the shorter levels like the 50 to 38, and then continue the downtrend. Now, I suspect that it could be a wave 5 down here, like a wave 5 of 1 on the daily. And if that is true, then instead of doing that, I mean, it would still probably bounce for some fib levels, but it would eventually go up and take out the high of wave 4, which to me would prove that the wave 5 is complete and that the wave 1 on the higher time frames is complete also. So it depends on what kind of trader you are. I mean, either for me personally, I'm either waiting for 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level and then a golf move down to go short, or I'm waiting for a break of structure to the upside to confirm this wave 1 is over, that we can start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.